He's no longer in the video.
Honestly, a fucking
Kai?
$9.
Kai?
Who pays for that?
What the fuck, Kai?
He's no longer in the video.
How much you can U-turn now?
You're gonna get demonetized because I look naked here. So
We have a naked 12-year-old. I'm not in frame.
So this is part 2 of letting people in the, what is it?
Letting the person in front of us decide our order or something
That.
like that.
And we're eating and drinking the rest of what we have. We have Jack in the Box, Dunkin' Donuts, Taco Bell, In-N-Out, and we still have a Starbucks drink left.
If you
And a
want to know,
McDonald's
if
drink.
you want to know the drama of In-N-Out, go check out part 1, and
Yes.
it'll be it'll make
It'll,
sense.
It'll be worth
definitely
your time.
watch part
Yeah.
1 before this one because it'll.
Explain everything.
Should we redo that and just be like, if you want to know what we got, go check out that first part? 'Cause that's what you said, but
It's
so
like
much longer.
previously on. What the fuck?
Really? No, you know the thing that Brendan does when he's like,
You should do that.
Previously on Caitlin's channel.
I asked me like, what's a Flying Dutchman? And then we find out. We're like, what the fuck?
I know what a Flying Dutchman is.
Wait.
I'm like, okay.
for one, this is the
How many
nastiest
knives?
drink we have.
Okay, yeah,
How
if
many
you didn't
knives,
watch
how
part
many
1,
forks?
I'm gonna take a fork.
I'll have a fork. So 4 forks.
Because I'm thinking about like the Flying Dutchman and
And
like,
just one
Should I
knife.
just get? I'll
Just get one knife. We don't need that many
Yeah.
knives. Thank you.
Oh, we're back home by the way.
Where are the knives?
In the all the way to the back. Okay, so let's start out with
What's
In-N-Out
Let's start
because
with Taco Bell. What's the
that's
coldest?
the biggest fail of this whole
Oh, you're stepping on my shoe, bud.
whatever you want to call it. So the first thing we got, this is called the Flying Dutchman. It's 2 patties with cheese in the middle.
Oh, hell no!
Okay.
Honestly.
It's a double.
Dude, that's so soggy now. Oh.
Animal style. Tomato wrap. I almost said potato.
It's a tomato wrap, meaning instead of buns, instead of lettuce, instead of anything good,
They put
it's tomatoes.
tomatoes.
Oh.
Happy.
Dude,
She
ew.
looks so she
I'm
wants to
actually.
throw up.
Oh, I found the fries though.
It's me too! The fuck?
No,
Oh,
it's
and the
melted.
drink. The drink from In-N-Out.
Oh yeah.
It's
Oh,
Diet Coke.
with unsweetened
Ice-
iced tea.
It's
Here, let me
half and
try it.
half Diet Coke and iced tea.
Unsweetened.
Unsweetened iced tea.
Oh,
Donga.
okay.
Oh my god, that squish.
That did not
It's because
sound
it's
good.
like soggy now too.
Yeah.
If
I just
got a
want to
pit
try
bull,
it.
could she
It's
date
not
Loki?
bad. It's just weird.
Mhm.
It's
Yes.
like the meat, it almost sounds
What?
just
If I
good.
got a pit bull and it was a girl, could she date Loki?
No.
Why?
It's not bad.
Mm-mm.
It's not bad. It's just weird.
Can
I
they
would
be
never
friends?
order it.
It's not.
They can be friends.
You can't taste the tomato.
Mm-mm.
You're telling me it has all the tomato and you can't taste
No.
it?
You taste
You
like
can't
the
taste
cheese
the tomato.
and the animal style. That's what you taste.
And meat.
Basically, this is gonna be a video of them 2 liking everything and us 2 hating
Yeah,
everything.
I'm like,
Cause we're the picky eaters.
Yeah.
I'm a human trash can. I'll eat almost anything. I'm crying
Okay.
Spanish.
There's that,
So-
and then there's the burrito in there.
Kathy's not
Yeah,
even
at Taco
trained.
Bell, the
I'm
person in
not.
front of us ordered a 5-layer burrito and a box with a chalupa, hard shell taco,
Okay, I stand.
cinnamon twist, and a burrito. And I'm pretty sure this is one of the burritos with like cheese.
It's the 5-layer burrito.
Cut to Catalina being
is.
pissed about the Flying Dutchman and her now being like, I stand.
That looks like a piece of shit with cheese in it.
Okay, I stand.
Cinnamon twist. It's meat and cheese. Who wants what from here?
I don't know.
I'll take the chalupa.
I'll have the 5-layer burrito.
Yeah,
Oh, and
'cause
the cinnamon.
I'm not a fan
There's
of the
two.
chalupa.
There's 2 fires. There's 2 of the burritos.
Yeah, there's 2
Is that
burritos
right?
because there's one in there.
What's
Ew,
this?
it's like burritos.
The hard taco.
I'm scared of
Do you want it?
burritos.
And I'll have the other burrito.
Dude, your
Or do you
dogs
want
are
that? Or do you want the
lucky.
burrito?
I'll have the hard taco.
Okay, so I'll have the burrito then.
Okay.
And then I can't eat the cinnamon.
And then
twist.
when-
know what I found
No one
funny?
has. No
Was
one has.
that they
But-
ordered specifically like 5 packets
Shoot.
of each, but they didn't give them 5 packets.
They literally
Shoot.
said on the order thing, it said 5 packets of hot and 5 packets of fire.
And they only
Go.
gave them 3 packets and 4.
Go.
Doesn't make any sense, does it?
What is a 5-layer burrito?
I don't know,
Has
but
5
good.
layers.
Google it.
It's like
beans.
cheese, beans, beef. It's really good. Do you want to try it?
I think
She has
that's
one.
a different one. That's the one from the box. That's a 5-layer
Do you guys
burrito.
want to try it? It's actually really good.
Taco Bell.
I feel like Taco Bell was the highlight of all of this.
No, Taco Bell, I would... If you take me to Taco Bell on a first date, bitch,
Your dog's looking. His snoot. While looking at me. As I eat.
The fuck is that?
I don't think it's the same thing.
it's
Yeah, it is.
not. No, it's not.
No, this is different.
This has beans, meat.
That has cheese in the tortillas.
Okay.
This has like onion,
This doesn't.
cream, and something else.
They're different.
Oh, so what's this box called?
The chalupa
Chalupa.
box.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm getting that. That's crazy. You asked for hi. Can I have 5 fire and 5 hot?
I know.
Like
OCD,
specifically.
bro.
What if they didn't give them exactly?
Screamed. Oh.
Imagine your OCD if they didn't give you exactly how many packets you wanted.
Oh wow. So we're gonna go around and say what order was our favorite.
Starbucks.
Mine was Starbucks.
Starbucks. For sure.
Wait, as in like food wise,
Like the full order, yeah.
or like the full experience of it?
Oh, if we're going experience, I'd say In-N-Out.
And
That shit was
experience
funny.
yeah.
is definitely In-N-Out.
In-N-Out. Just-
Experience was in that because that shit was funny.
Food.
It was
I would
a
say.
roller coaster because I
Mhm.
was like, what? I was like, oh, okay, this is fun, and da 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 da. And then we were disappointed. I was confused.
Oh my god, we're gonna get a burger.
And then you were down for the Flying Dutchman.
Okay, I stand.
Cinnamon twist.
And yeah.
And then she was
I
down
know,
for the other
I was
I
food.
confused
know.
when they
I like
read it
that.
back, and then we got it,
But would
and we
you order
saw
it?
what it was, and we're like, that's when I was
Probably.
pissed.
Would you order that order though? Would you
No.
order a Flying Dutchman?
I would
Never.
probably order a Flying Dutchman if I was on like a no carb diet, like with no bun or anything.
We could have legit got worse. I don't know how it could get worse than what we got, but
Yeah. Honestly, don't know how it could get worse. Like, what else can you order that's worse? Everyone genuinely thinking about this.
I was gonna say
From-
grilled cheese, but like that's
but
not
like
bad.
that's not that bad. A grilled cheese wouldn't be
But
that
then it
bad.
would be just bun.
Yeah.
Bun and cheese.
Just
And like
That'd
the
be a
slice of
lot
cheese.
of bun.
Mm-hmm.
We got
Okay,
excited
so
about
next
fries.
we have Jack in the Box, and we got a chocolate shake, a home-style chicken sandwich, fries, and
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Not even a taco. What the hell?
Cinnamon twist. Both of your dogs are looking at me and I can't.
Catalina complaining about the other person's order for 10 minutes straight.
Honestly.
There's so many compilations you can make.
Oh.
Kathy
Me
ranting.
raging about the fucking Flying Dutchman.
Oh my god, there's tomato!
Just
Pull
the
it
tomato.
out!
Bacon.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Nah, I got it. Okay, I got it.
Look at that bun.
That looks nice.
That's like
Yeah.
a pretzel bun.
No, it's like one of their fancy. I think it's like a brioche bun. Oh my gosh. Put that in the trash.
Hi,
So
Mom.
what did you locals end up with?
A
So
bunch
much.
of gross food. Also,
Caitlin
in case
burping.
anybody's wondering where I am, there's a dog right here and I'm talking to it.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we got pure chicken burgers. We didn't get a proper burger today.
Just the Flying Dutchman.
Technically, that
That's
was
not
the,
a proper
That's
burger.
not a
that,
proper
that
burger.
tomato thing was the
Closest thing.
closest
We
thing,
got
yeah.
to a burger today.
We still have Dunkin'.
Ugh.
Oh,
Dude, I don't know who's gonna eat that.
I really wanted a donut.
I really
think we
want
all-
a donut. You wanna know where we went?
oh, here comes
We went to
Go.
Wendy's, McDonald's,
Go.
Starbucks, Taco
Go.
Bell, In-N-Out, Dunkin' Donuts, and then Jack in the Box. And we In-N-Out. Oh my god.
She has to watch that footage.
We can't
You
tell her. She has to
do.
watch the video.
Okay,
Okay, I'm trying Jack in the Box. Never had this in
That
my
looks
life.
thick. That
That's
piece of
a
chicken
good
is thick.
piece of chicken.
Oh my god.
It's not like a
Look
chicken
at
patty, it's like
that.
a chicken breast.
I know. Oh my
Wow.
god. I think that's our first actual
that's
like
like a
chicken
good double
breast.
D.
I hate bacon. Okay.
You hate bacon? Are you human?
Oh, I don't like bacon either.
What? Y'all need to get out of my house.
Okay, bye.
Then the last place we went to was Dunkin'.
I'm conflicted on this.
Didn't even get a
Catalina.
donut. So someone got a white
Chai latte, something like that.
A vanilla chai latte.
vanilla chai latte, hot
Why?
on a hot day,
When it's like
Mom,
87
and then they
degrees
got
outside.
a sandwich of a sort. And what is this?
I don't know.
I
What
didn't
did the
even
receipt
see.
say? Oh,
What
I
was what?
don't have the receipt anymore.
It was
Oh, it was a
sausage.
turkey.
Like turkey,
sausage,
multigrain.
something.
It's really healthy.
Elena, it was just a
Oh,
turkey.
that's good.
Sausage.
Where was that from?
Dunkin'.
Dunkin'.
Ooh.
Your mom could eat it. She wants it. I don't know. Does it look? Is it good?
Actually, really good.
I think it's just healthy.
I think it needs hot sauce.
We have fire and hot.
Do you want it?
Mm.
There's also a chai latte.
Also, just so you know,
And
we're doing a mukbang.
She put hot sauce.
Diet
She put
Pepsi
hot
and
sauce in the bag.
unsweetened. Oh yeah, she
Yeah.
said hot sauce,
hot sauce and ketchup.
Well, I'm so
ketchup,
full.
and a hot sauce.
So did they think
What happened?
Oh, he was outside.
No, what did they think? What?
That you were completely off your rocker.
No.
There was the guy at Taco Bell.
The one at Wendy's.
Oh, the one at Wendy's. There was this lady, and she had to go get a different guy.
She didn't understand.
Yeah, she didn't get what we were doing. And then
I just think it was a language barrier thing.
the
Yeah, I think
dude
we
at
really
Starbucks,
sure.
the guy at Starbucks was so cool.
Oh, he knew exactly what we were doing.
I think he knew what we were doing.
Okay, question. Have you guys
I'm not gonna get scared.
ever heard of a Flying Dutchman?
I have.
From In and
See,
Out.
like
From
people know
In-N-Out?
what-
What?
From In and Out?
From
Yeah.
In and Out.
Flying Dutchman, isn't that like something to do with poop?
No.
I mean,
It looks like
the
poop.
Flying Dutchman, as in the ghost of the Flying
No,
Dutchman.
no, but there's like a flying.
Okay, this is a Flying Dutchman from
From In-N-Out.
It's 2 beef patties with cheese in the middle.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's
Yeah.
it.
And then we got another thing. It's an animal style double, but it's a tomato wrap.
So like
It's
protein
wrapped
style,
in
but
tomato.
Instead it's tomato.
It was actually really good.
I know.
We were the
I
only
didn't
two
try
that liked it. We
But-
judged it hard.
I didn't even
Try
try
it
it.
out.
Try this
drink.
drink. Do not look at the lid, just try the drink.
Well, if you like tomatoes, I guess
What's
you're
in
good
it?
to go.
We'll tell you after.
You have to figure it out. That's the whole point. No, I don't want to
It's
say
tea.
And
I wish you were on camera. Can we swivel it so we can get a reaction?
Tea and Coke?
Diet Coke.
Okay, tea and
it's
Coke.
unsweetened tea
Iced
and
tea
Diet
with
Coke.
That's nasty.
Try this.
We had to
I
pay
know.
$9 for that.
You've had this?
No, they sell something similar at
Starbucks.
I want to say Starbucks.
Probably right under the
I love.
Do you want it?
I love.
Okay.
She takes it.
Okay.
Wait,
Oh,
do
see,
you
now they're
wanna-
gonna follow her to like mom.
Do you
has
want
to
to try
It's a chai latte.
a vanilla
Vanilla
chai?
chai.
I'll follow them.
It was really.
Plug
Dad.
yours if you have to.
Try this drink.
It's good. That. Oh.
And then Taco Bell, we got a $5 box and a
Mom.
5-layer burrito.
Hand this to him. Dad, you have to try this drink.
Oh my god.
I'm not a fan
Have
of
you
it.
had the pita, roasted tomato mozzarella pita thing from Starbucks?
Was it a pita?
Oh my
I
god.
think it's no, it's
It was a
Some
panini.
girl
Wait,
at-
wait,
It was a
wait.
panini.
Oh. I like this.
That's
one.
got
It's
some
better wrap.
diet shit in it.
Yeah, it's Diet Coke
It's
and
Diet
unsweetened tea.
Coke and unsweetened
How do I
tea.
feel about diet drinks?
And that's why I
Exactly.
gave it to you.
Is it?
So my favorite thing today was the Starbucks.
Same.
I don't think I have a favorite out of everything besides like the cinnamon twist and the milkshake. But my favorite experience was In-N-Out.
The
Yeah.
learning experience is just we all share that out.
So if you guys want to see us ordering
Yeah,
all
I
this
ate that.
food, there's part
I
1.
think everyone tried it. I don't know.
It's
I
letting
tried
people
it.
in front
Oh,
of
'cause
us
it had cheese
decide
on it,
what we
she
eat
did
in the
try it.
drive-through. This was part 2, our little mukbang, eating what we haven't eaten. And yeah. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below which one of these you would want to get if you were in a drive-through. And I'll have all of our socials in the description below.
Like this video for Kai.
Shout out to Kai.
Shout out to
Also,
Kai.
frick you, Kai, because you tricked us, but it's fine.
He really said, "Are you sure?" And we're like, "Yeah."
Okay. Bye guys.
I'm gonna grab it.
Bye.
Okay, she got it.